For anyone out there who is on Maximo and hasn't yet either made the move to the application suite or at least done the upgrade on paper and gotten to app points, this is really important. The 7.6 product series is going to be end of life for support on September 30th of 2025. We're here in November. That means roughly 10 months from now. We pause right there and we look at what it takes for most enterprises to get the team together, decide what they want to do for an upgrade, go through a vendor selection process, and then get an upgrade done. It might get done in 10 months, probably not. So if you're not already in the process, you are probably already behind and going to experience a decision of we're either going to spend a whole lot of money with IBM to get extended support, which will be offered, or we're going to have to get together and figure out how to be a little more nimble than normal and get an upgrade done. So why would you do this? The capabilities of the application suite are pretty incredible. So we're going from simple asset management within the current 7.6 Maximo suite. And yes, we have our spare parts, our inventory, planning. There's a lot to that, okay? But with the application suite 9, we are seeing reliability practices being brought in. We're seeing AI being brought in. We're seeing the edge analytics and monitor, and then health and predict, which comes back to the AI part being brought in. Things like visual inspection and the mobility capabilities with the application suite are far better than they are in the 7.6 platform. And then you also get things like the inspection forms. So there's a tremendous amount of power in the new application suite. It does take time to plan for an upgrade, and it takes a lot of time also to plan where you want your business to be in 5 years, because right now with the big shift from 7.6 to the application suite, now's the time to not again do that lift and shift technical upgrade, but to really double down and focus on how you're going to improve your business and where you want to be 5 to 10 years from now. There's a lot to it. It is complicated. That's what Banetti does for a living. We help our partners in the enterprise understand how to plan for, adopt, and implement those changes so that you actually see business benefit. You can see a measurable ROI on that investment in the platform. So love to talk to you. Love to hear your thoughts on that. Remember, end of life for the product is September 30th, 2025. So at least getting the upgrade on paper done sooner than later is a big deal. Love to talk to you about it. Comments, likes, subscribe. Talk to you soon.